Setting up and utilizing the S10 Wearable Breast Pump Guide. Power up your S10 breast pump for simplified use. Flashing single battery bar indicates your breast pump needs recharging for continued use. Detailed assembly instructions for your S10 breast pump. 1. Silicone diaphragm. Start by placing the silicone diaphragm into the three-way flange. It's important to make sure it clicks into place or feels firmly secured. This step is crucial for the pump's performance as it helps create a proper vacuum. 2. Valve attachment. Next, attach the valve to the same three-way flange. There's a specific way to do this for it to work correctly, so looking at the assembly video can provide visual guidance to ensure you're aligning everything just right. 3. Flange and container connection. Now, take the flange assembly, which includes the diaphragm and valve you just attached, and connect it to the container. It should fit into a designated slot on the container. Make sure this connection is tight and secure to prevent any leaks during use. 4. Silicone breast shield. Insert the silicone breast shield into the flange. There are grooves on both the shield and the flange that need to align. Once aligned, press the edges of the shield to ensure it's fully sealed. This part is important for your comfort and the efficiency of milk extraction. 5. Pump motor unit. Lastly, attach the pump motor unit to the rest of the assembled parts. This is the brain of the pump, so ensuring a secure and correct connection is essential for the pump to operate effectively. Optimizing your experience. Utilizing the S10 motor unit's modes and levels. The on-off button on the pump motor unit powers the device on with a short press and turns it off with another short press. Press M to switch to massage mode, indicated by a flashing light. This mode has 5 levels, adjustable with the plus or minus buttons for optimal comfort. Switching to expression mode turns the light indicator on steadily. This mode also features 5 adjustable levels, which you can change using the plus or minus buttons to find your preferred intensity. The S10 Wearable Breast Pump is crafted with deliberate features to simplify your pumping journey and ensure your safety. Preservation feature. Understanding its operation. This breast pump is furnished with a preservation feature that automatically records your last chosen settings. Thus, when you deactivate the pump and later activate it for your subsequent session, it will continue with the identical modes and intensities for stimulation or expression that you previously used. This advantage removes the burden of repeatedly customizing your favorite modes and intensities for each session, facilitating a more streamlined and hassle-free experience. Automatic power off, enhancing safety and efficacy. For improved safety and to uphold the efficiency of the pump, it is programmed to automatically power off after 20 minutes of uninterrupted use. This automatic power-off function is key to avoiding the pitfalls of overpumping in a single session, which can positively impact your comfort and extend the lifespan of the pump. It acts as a gentle reminder for you to take breaks, making sure your pumping sessions are both secure and effective. These elements are integral to the pump's design, aiming for a smooth, productive, and safe pumping experience. For any questions or support regarding your S10 breast pump, please get in touch with TPH Technology. Our commitment is to your satisfaction and the superior performance of our product.